Guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In today's video I want to show you guys step by step on how to get a real RDP for yourself. Okay, I made a video before about how to get RDP, but most of those RDP are data centers RDP, right? They are not residential RDP. They are detected, and most of them are not good. So making my research, I found a website you can actually get residential RDP from, alright, for very low pricing, and in this video I'll show you guys step by step. So if you find this video useful, helpful, make sure you subscribe, like, and I'll help you guys create more videos like this. Alright, so first thing you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser, then you search for this website right here. It's called QloudRDP.com, right? As you can see, it says buy RDP servers for Windows and Linux, right? Now you can use RDP on your phone. Okay, most people don't still know how to use RDP on their phone. You don't need to have a laptop before you can use a RDP. You can go to your Play Store right here, then you search for this app called Windows app, right? Windows app. Many people know about this, and some people don't still know. Windows app, this will allow you you be able to operate your RDP on your phone. All right, you can use it as a device, right? So you just need to connect it. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So let's go back. Okay, so here it says buy RDP. So one thing you should consider about RDP is how many gig RAM you are buying and how many gig it is, right? So let's scroll down. As you can see, this website is trusted. A lot of people trust it. It has been rated 4.1 on Trustpilot and 4.8 on Host Advice, right? So let's scroll down. As you can see, they have 12 live location right now. Okay, checking them, I think they don't have UK, right? So here is the standard one. As you can see, it comes with 2 gig RAM, as you can see, and you have 1 Gbps internet. I don't know how to call that, but that's internet speed, right, for it. And it's a Windows server, right? That means you can use it on the Windows app as well, and you have a dedicated IP address. Okay, so here is the one I bought, which costs around $16 per month. As you can see, it comes with 4 gig RAM. The reason I buy the one of 4 gig RAM is because it's very fast, instead of becoming slow like the one of 2 gig RAM, right? I'll show you guys how it is. Okay, this is $25 one, right, which costs $26 with 8 gig RAM, which will be more faster than the 4 gig RAM, on depending on what you want to use this for. You can use this for outlier, you can use this for surveys, you can use this for AI jobs, you can literally use for anything. Okay, some people don't still know what RDP is. RDP simply means remote desktop protocol, right? Let's assume someone is living in the United Kingdom, United States, and let's say one of your family members is living there, and you want to connect to his laptop and do any of your, okay, let me not even come into the business world. Right now, you are living in the United States and you left your laptop in the United States, and you come to Nigeria. Right now, you want to connect your laptop that is in the United States without having to be in the United States. All you just need to do is to connect it to a remote desktop protocol, right? Then when you sign in from your laptop or your phone, and you start operating on your computer, you can start operating on your computer from any country at all if you have your logins, right? Any country as well. Now it will not bring Nigerian IP address, it will bring the United States IP address because your laptop is the United States, right? That's how it is, right? That's how it is. So that's what RDP simply means. So you don't need a proxy, you don't need a VPN, nothing like that. You just need to connect and you are good to go. All right, so now how do you sign up on this website? You tap on these 3 lines up here, then because I've signed up, it will show me client area, right? So when you come to this place, click on create account. All right, now you need to put in all your details, right? As you can see, these are all the details you need to put in, right? Here you can change it to Nigeria. You don't need to use the United States account, right? You can change it to Nigeria. Change this phone number to Nigeria as well, you understand? So after you have signed up, you just literally log in your account, right? Let me go to login. So I'll just log in. So now I can see I've logged into my account. If you want to sign up on this website and get bonus on you signing up, you can use the link in the description, in the comments. Now right here you will see how it is. It looks complicated, right? Okay, yeah, it looks complicated one kind, but it's very easy. Okay, so if you want to buy an RDP, just tap on this their logo right here, right? Should take you back to this place, or you just go back here, then choose the one you want to buy. Let's assume you want to buy this one. Click on start, high performance, stuff like that. Make sure you have logged in your account. All right, so as you can see, if you use the link below, you'll be able to save 10%, right? So just scroll down, then you can put in your host name, any name. Just put any name right there, like let's see, just like exile from the root password. You can put any password of your choice. Then here you can still put, you can put any website. You can even put any website like my own, like this. Then location, as you can see, there are 3 locations. If you are going for United States, choose United States, right? Then you click on continue. Then from there you'll be able to buy using your account, right? You buy using any payment method. They accept MasterCard, Visa card, PayPal, and crypto, right? You can use any of these payment methods, right? If you don't have any of these payment methods, you can send me a message. I'll help you to deposit, or you get them. You can use Gray. There's this app called Gray, right? Gray, they have Visa card. You can buy from them. They there is a lot of them, right? There's a lot of them on Play Store. Like let's see, there's Cartonic that you can buy for just, I think, $1 or $2, like that. You can buy a card for yourself. This is it, right? So yeah, that's just it. So after you have done all that, you have buy your RDP. This is how it looks. You go to your dashboard and you click on my services right here. Then you scroll down. You see this is one of my services, right? You tap on it. So this is it. All right, when you scroll down, you see your you see your IP address, right? You see IP address, and they will send you your password as well. Okay, they send your password through your email, or they will send you, it is here, but I don't want to let people see, but just when you are here, they will send you your IP address, your username, and your password, right? That's what you use to log in. So when you want to log in, let's assume we want to log in now. Let's go back to the Windows app, this Windows app, right? Let me delete this, then tap on new. Then you go to PC connection, tap on it like this. Then your PC name, it should be the IP address, right? This IP address right here. Okay, copy it, then paste it, right? Paste it. Make sure you check your email. When you buy it, you will see IP address. Then this you can leave it to ask when required, right? Then you can just put name like ME Cloud like that. Then save. Then when you tap on it like this, so you ask you for your username and password, right? Your username and password. So your username and password should be your email. So I'll just put it right here. So the username should be administrator, because all RDP username are administrator, right? Then you click on continue. So as you can see, say unlock the PC, automatically you will see your phone looking like a PC, right? So that's how it is. As you can see, this is my IP address, right? I can see this is 0 risk, right? 0 risk, and the IP address is very okay, right? This is very okay. Now to operate this type of IP address, let's assume you don't want to use like your hand, like, or if you buy this, you will see that you have something like what is it called? Where is it? Tap on this place right here. Tap on it. You'll be able to use mouse, or what will I even call it? The tax this thing, right? So let me just click on done. Then you can see, right, you should now look like a PC, right? You look like a PC, as you can see. This is Atapo. You'll be able to do Atapo and other kind of surveys, right? Let's see. All right, as you can see. So that's how to get an RDP. Use the link below to get RDP from QloudRDP.com. Okay, if you have any question, make sure you drop it below, and I will see you guys on the next one.